I mean, it's 5 p.m. allowed. It's okay. Take of Denai now being tipsy. Hi, I'm Denai, and today I'm cooking a spiced rum glazed pineapple with a vegan crepe. So my friend Kai challenged me to make a recipe using ginger and rum. I love cooking with spices, so I thought this would be a great, very easy, simple recipe. You need 1 cup of flour. I have spelt flour, but you can use whichever flour that you have available. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. I've got about 1.5 cups of non-dairy milk, some salt, and for the roasted pineapple, I've got some lovely ginger. We won't be using all of it, just a little bit of ginger. Some cinnamon, some nutmeg, which will be grated fresh. Got about a shot of rum and some maple syrup. I guess we'll start by mixing the flour with the baking powder. And then I'm gonna add a non-dairy milk. I chose this dish because I love roasting pineapple and it really reminds me of home, especially the freshly grated nutmeg. So now we're gonna chop up our pineapple. I'm just going to peel away, and we're going to do our ginger, kind of pan frying it. I'm not gonna peel it, I'm just gonna chop. So now it's time to cook our crepe. We want to start by taking a saucepan and putting it on medium heat. Then you can put a tablespoon or so of butter. Take a ladle. And very quickly move the crepe around the pan, just looking for a nice golden colour. You'll know when it's almost ready to flip when the top of the pancake has started to cook, and that's what we're looking for. Really lovely, even golden, kind of moon-like ripples. Okay, this one's ready. So now all the crepes are finished cooking. Set it aside and start to roast your pineapple. We're just gonna add our pineapple directly in, and we're just going to allow that to get some caramelization on the bottom. Now we're gonna add ginger, nutmeg, cinnamon, maple syrup, a bit of our rum. I'm just going to let all this infuse. I'm going to try and flambe it. There you go. Just letting the alcohol cook off. You get this thick, spiced syrup. I'm just going to take it off the heat now. Our crepes are cooked. Our pineapple's been roasted really beautifully in the rum and the maple syrup. So now we're going to get ready to plate up. First, I'm just going to cut the pineapple. I like folding kind of triangular blankets. I'm going to place our roasted pineapple onto the plate. Plain yogurt will add a bit of tang and acidity and will cut through some of the sweetness. Now, I've got a bit of our syrup that we reduced that has all that lovely rum, the pineapple juices, the spices. And then I'm going to garnish with some fresh mint, which I love with pineapple. Here's my roasted pineapple, rum and ginger, and my very simple 3-ingredient crepe recipe. This is like low-key the best crepes I've had. So good. I've already eaten like all of them, basically. So that's it. This is my comfort food. Thank you, Kai and Browns, for having me and for challenging me by using 2 of my favourite ingredients, rum and ginger. I hope you try it at home and stay safe. Thanks for having me.